Hey guys, it's me, Jamie from GTV, and
I'm Tanya Delgado.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All DECA members going to the job shuttle at Delta Airlines on Thursday need to get your paper signed and turned into Mr. Pace by Wednesday, the 10th. The annual Dance Benefit Concert to raise money for Sub or Santa will be on October 11th, 7 p.m. in the Granger High School Auditorium. Tickets are $5 and can be purchased in the front office or from any dance company or drill team member at the door. This concert will feature dances from Granger High School Dance Company and the drill team, and dancers from Hunter, Skyline, Kearns, and Taylorsville High. Congratulations to the Granger cross country team, which competed in the region championships on Friday. As a result, Daniela Vimbella was the top 10 finisher and a state qualifier. Gabby Sutherland, Matt Brooks, and Ben Hall and Brian Walker also qualified for state as well. The state championships will be on October 17th at Sugar House Park. An admissions counselor from the Utah State University will be in the Career Center during first and second lunch today. If you have any questions about Utah State or just want to learn more about it, come and see what they're all about.
Hi, Lancers. My name is Mrs. Allo, and I'm here to talk to you about what to expect this coming Thursday. Thursday is going to be a PM assembly schedule, and that means that at the end of fourth period, you are going to stay in your fourth period class to take an online survey that will be spent talking, or for you to be answering some questions about your coursework and also about your school experience here at Granger High School and the ways that we support your education, your educational goals, and the way that your coursework may possibly be challenging, and what kind of things that you would like to do in the years to come. Now, we are expecting some real positive benefits for you as students, and we're really, really excited about gathering this data. We want a way to be able to help prepare all of you as students to successfully help you reach your educational and your professional goals. So when you take the survey, it is so important that you take it seriously, that you take the time to respond to these questions meaningfully, that you actually are honest and you tell the truth. And don't take it in 30 seconds, okay? Take the time to really express your thoughts. We want the truth. And then when you are done, you will stay in your class with your teacher, because you see, your teachers are also going to be taking the same survey for different reasons. Afterwards, you're all going to join us in the Commons area, where you get a chance to also celebrate and visit with the state qualifiers in tennis as well as in golf. And then when you're all done, you get to go home. So that's what's going to happen on Thursday. Friday, I think you're all expecting to attend the anti-bullying assembly. Well, the bullying assembly has been postponed to November the 30th. So make sure you update your calendar, and that will be a regular bell schedule on Friday. So I hope you got all of that down. So once again, Thursday is a PM assembly schedule. You're going to do your absolute best to answer and respond to the survey questions to the best of your ability. And then on Friday, it's a regular bell schedule, and that anti-bullying assembly will be postponed until November the 30th. Have a great day. Thank you.
Matt and America will be telling us a little bit about CTE Skills Certificate.
Hello, Lancers. I'm America.
And I'm Matt. Today we're going to be talking to you guys about the CTE Skills Certificate Program. Let's begin.
The CTE Certificate Program is something that's very cool. It is a program where if you take any CTE class and pass the end test with an 80% or above, you can get a certificate for that skill.
If you take 2 levels of that same CTE class, you not only get a certificate for each level, but you also can get a cord for graduation.
The certificate can also be of much help when applying for colleges or a job in that skill.
And it also will look really good on a resume.
Some CTE classes you could take are food, design, fashion, welding, or auto mechanics. But that's not all. Here's a list of all the classes that are provided at Granger for CTE.
If you you want to learn more about this, you guys can go talk to Mr. Platero.
And anyone at the Career Center, and also your CTE teachers.
Thanks, Lancers.
Are you wondering about what weight training is like? Let's have Alex answer some of your questions.
Hi, I'm Alex from GTV, and I'm here with Coach Shipman, and he's going to tell us a little bit about weight training. So, have you seen improvement from your students on the weights they can lift?
Yeah, so at the start of the year, they weren't able to get through the warm-up. Now they can get through the warm-up, and they're able to start lifting weights. As they continue to do this, they will see great increases in their strength throughout the year.
Do you think they have had a hard time doing your new workouts?
Yes, weight training is hard, and part of that is letting the kids know that they are capable of doing hard things that they did not think that they were able to do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Let's have some of the tennis girls talk to us about what tennis is like.
Hey Lancers, this is Brittany. And this is Chloe. And we're the captains of girls tennis. First off, we'd like to congratulate our amazing Lady Lancers who represented Granger at Tennis State this past weekend. You all did great. We'd like to invite anyone who wants to play tennis to come out to the courts and learn. Sessions will be held Monday through Thursday from 5 to 6:30 p.m. It started Monday, but will continue until November 20th, which is the week of Thanksgiving. Hope to see you all there. Bye, guys. Bye.
Let's have Michaela tell us about what FCCLA is.
Hello Lancers, I'm Michaela, and here's a recap of the FCCLA Provo field trip.
Now, that was awesome the way you introduced me. Thank you.
Hello Lancers, I'm here with
Kimberly Neff.
So tell us why you joined FCCLA.
I joined FCCLA for leadership opportunities and all these different opportunities that I could get.
So with this field trip, what did you learn?
I learned more about being a leader and all the different opportunities that a leader has and all different things that it's like, oh, you could do this for the club and this and this and all these promotional stuff.
And how long have you been in FCCLA?
I've been in like 2 months.
Thank you.